All right, so this is the 4Runner that our shop just finished up. We did suspension, wheels, tires, bumpers, winch, racks, lights, you name it. So we're gonna give you a quick tour. We're gonna put a lot of details in the description below on all the products that we installed here on the 4Runner. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and make sure you subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.